क्लीनलीनेस इज नेक्स्ट टू गॉडलीनेस को यहाँ के लोगों ने काफी ज्यादा सीरियसली ले चुका है। Everyone here is so much passionate about cleanliness. One of the cleanest village in East Siang district, India. India's only zero waste village. Before their day-to-day work, the village member of SSA spend 1 to 2 hours of every morning in cleaning their village. Unity makes us strength. Silok is the greatest example for another village. Even there is a group of dustbin collector who collect dustbin every morning after cleaning. Even their dustbins were made up of bamboos only. They are all self-made. Welcome to East Siang District Village. Only zero waste village in entire East Siang District, India.